Hola, mis amigos. Here I am, just drilling away on this construction site. Today is Tuesday, May the 25th. What do you think we're talking about in social studies? We will identify different jobs that provide goods or services. Take a look at that job my girl's doing. Building houses or buildings, maybe. Now, is that a job that gives a good or a service? What do you think? A service, right? She's working. She's building to produce a good of a house. Good job. Would you like that job when you grow up? Yes or no? Not me. How will we study more jobs today? We will watch a video about professions. Then choose one to research on PebbleGo before illustrating and explaining in our journals. Look at this P word in yellow today. Say it with me, please. Professions. Do you know what a profession is? Yes, you do. A profession is a job. Profession, job, same thing. Just another way to say it. You will get to pick one today on PebbleGo. You'll write, you'll draw, and you'll teach me about it in your journal. Why? We will understand different jobs that provide for the community. Yesterday, you did a job for me. What was that job? The teacher. We need teachers, just like this job here on the screen. We need construction workers. All of these jobs are important. You'll pick an important one today to draw and label in the journal. First, here comes our video. Eyes on, ears on. Professions. If you see one you like, remember it. You can research it on PebbleGo later.
Hello friends, today we're going to learn jobs and occupations. There are so many of them, so we're going to make 3 videos. This is the first one. Don't miss any detail. Teacher. Teachers teach young children in school. Teacher.
Teacher, say that one.
Doctor. Doctors look after our health and cure us when we're sick. They work in a hospital. Doctor.
Say doctor. That's an important job. We need doctors to keep us healthy.
Nurse. Nurses help doctors look after our health. Nurse.
Say nurse, please. Nurses work with the doctors.
Dentist. Dentists treat gum and mouth sores. Remember to brush your teeth to keep them healthy. Dentist.
Say dentist, please. Those are very important people to keep our teeth clean and healthy.
Actor. Actors play characters in movies, series, or theater plays. Actor.
Say actor. Or a girl is an actress. Say actress. That's another important job.
Farmer. Farmers look after animals and grow fruit, vegetables, and cereal. They work on the farm. Farmer.
Say farmer. That's a very important community helper. If we didn't have farmers, what would we eat? We need our plants, fruits, and proteins.
Footballer. Footballers are professional football players, a team sport where they have to kick the ball through the goalposts.
A footballer. Would you like to be a footballer? Yeah. Say footballer, please.
Oh! Footballer. Baker. Bakers make and sell bread or other products like cakes and cupcakes. They work at a bakery. Baker.
Say baker, please. I like cupcakes. Maybe you'll be a baker and make me one.
Cook. Cooks make tasty food and meals. They work at a restaurant, a hotel, or even at the school canteen. Cook.
Say cook. Or you could call a cook a chef. Say chef. This chef is cooking up a delicious turkey in the oven. We need chefs to make our yummy, yummy meals.
Pilot. Pilots fly airplanes to transport passengers and goods. Pilot.
Pilot. Say that one, please. Pilot. Would you like to fly an airplane? That's a pretty cool job. You gotta be safe to get the people safe from one place to the other.
Police officer. Police officers help to maintain law and order. They arrest the bad guys and they work at the police station. Police officer.
Say police officer. We need them to keep our community safe. No bad guys here. Lock them up in the jail.
Firefighter. Firefighters put out fires and respond to emergencies. They drive their famous fire truck. They wear a helmet and use a fire hose.
Look at all those cool tools they have. Say firefighter.
Firefighter. Let's see if you remember all of them.
Okay, here's the quiz time. Look at the setting, look at the tools, and then think of what job would be in that place. Do you know what job this is here? That's me. What's my job? Teacher. Bravo.
Who teaches young children in school?
You got it. You got it.
The teacher.
That was yesterday. We want a new one today.
Who cures us when we're ill?
Who's that?
The doctor.
Good job.
Who helps the doctor look after us? The nurse.
Nurse. Good job.
Who looks after our teeth?
The
The dentist.
dentist. Whoop whoop.
Who acts in movies? The actor.
Actor.
Who looks after farm animals?
Very important.
The farmer. Who scores goals? The footballer.
Good job.
Who cooks and bakes bread? The baker.
Baker. Now,
Who makes tasty meals?
chef
The cook.
or the cook.
Who flies airplanes? The pilot.
Good remembering.
Who chases the bad guys? The police officer.
Bravo.
Who puts out fires? The firefighter.
All right, part 2 for some more jobs. Have you seen one that you're interested in researching already? Well, don't worry. Here comes some more. Eyes on, ears on.
Astronaut. Astronauts travel in a spaceship through space. Astronaut.
Astronaut. Say that, please. Would you like to fly in a rocket ship to Mars? I would. That's a cool job. Look at all the tools he has. The suit, the helmet, the buttons, the rocket ship. You could show me that.
Mechanic. Mechanics repair vehicles like cars, motorbikes, or buses. They work at the garage and use tools like the wrench. Mechanic.
Say that M word, please. Mechanic. He has a lot of tools to fix our cars.
Painter. Painters paint and decorate walls and ceilings. They use paint brushes, paint rollers, and buckets. Painter.
Painter. Say that job, please. What a fun job to make everything beautiful.
Waiter. Waiters serve tables and customers at a restaurant or a bar. They take your order and then they bring your food and drink.
Waiter. Say that.
Architect. Architects design buildings and are in charge of making sure they're built correctly. Architects.
Architect. So look at her. She's drawing the plan so then the construction men can go build it. But she's planning it. She's designing it. She sat at this table to draw it and make sure it was safe. That would be a cool job.
Judge. Judges are in charge of defending and applying the law according to the rights and obligations of the people. Judge.
Judge. They decide guilty or innocent. They make decisions for the law.
Plumber. Plumbers install and repair pipes so that we have running water in our house. Plumber.
Plumber. Say that word, please. Plumber. You see his tool to fix those pipes. Very important.
Tailor. Tailors design and sew clothes for their customers.
Tailor.
They need to take your measurements so that your clothes fit you. Tailor.
Say that word, please. They're going to measure your body to make your clothes fit just perfect for you. Would you like to make clothes?
Gardener. Gardeners look after flowers, plants, and trees in gardens and parks. Gardener.
Gardener. Say that word, please. Taking care of all the plants and flowers.
Taxi driver. Taxi drivers drive a taxi and take passengers from one place to another in the city. Taxi driver.
Taxi driver. We don't have many of those here in Elgin, but we have Uber drivers, Lyft drivers. They'll get you from one place to the other. Would you like to be a driver?
Musician. A musician plays songs and melodies on a musical instrument. What a beautiful sound. Musician.
Say that word, please. Musician. You could play the guitar or the piano, but you're going to make music. That would be a cool job.
Let's see if you remember all of them.
Here we go.
Who travels through space? The astronaut.
Astronaut.
Who repairs cars? The mechanic.
Mechanic.
Who paints walls and ceilings? The painter.
Oh, yes, painter. Painter.
Who serves food at the restaurant? The waiter.
Good job, waiter.
Who designs houses and buildings?
With an A.
architect.
Architect. Good job.
Who defends and applies the law? The judge. Who fixes pipes? The plumber.
Plumber.
Who designs and makes clothes? The tailor.
Tailor.
Who looks after the plants?
Go.
The gardener.
Gardener.
Who drives a taxi? The taxi driver.
Good job.
Who plays songs and melodies on musical instruments? The musician.
Musician.
Well done.
Well done is right. And I hope that you saw a profession or a job that you're
Still lots to
interested
learn.
in learning on Pebble Go. We saw some jobs yesterday on Pebble Go. We saw one. What's my job? A teacher, exactly. Now, does a teacher provide a good or a service? Remember, a good is something you use or buy. A service is a job to help. Think again. Is a teacher giving a good or a service? Let me see those thumbs. Correct. A service. It's a job to help kids learn and grow the brains. A teacher gives a service. Today, you'll pick what job you want to tell me, and you'll do the research on Pebble Go to explain to me, does that job give us a good, or does that job give us a service? Different jobs do different things. Here are all the jobs on Pebble Go. Jobs in the community. Some you have to choose from: childcare workers, construction, dentist, doctor, farmer. The list goes on. You will get to pick one today. And you will do the research, and you will draw and write. Are you ready? Come meet me on video too. You got your journal, you've got your pencil, and you've got your crayons. Let's go.